My name is Brad Walters. I am the network manager at a casino in Northeast Ohio. We installed SolarWinds when we first opened, but had no guidance on how to set up the systems, and we came to Loop 1 to get in-depth knowledge on the installation process and how to operate the system at its fullest extent.
My name is Kent Kasubi. I'm a network administrator with US Venture. We are an oil company in the Midwest. Basically, we bought SolarWinds to replace a couple of other options for network monitoring, and this basically was an entire package. Had a lot of things we weren't using previously. So when we installed it, we really didn't know what we were doing. We were kind of thrown into the fire. So I felt coming to training would be a really good idea to learn more about the program, kind of more of a deep dive into it and figure out, what we might not be utilizing and how we, can make better use of what we're using.
My name is Thomas Mullally. I'm the IT manager for the Village of Evergreen Park. We purchased SolarWinds about 2 years ago. Saw our need for network diagnostics, network management, with a better feel for what's actually happening on the bit level. And SolarWinds offers some assistance, but Loop 1 had a far more in-depth detail with in-person training.
The network configuration manager portion of the training was phenomenal. It is something that we do not currently implement and we're planning on implementing. We have approximately 800 plus switches on our gaming floor, which if we need to make a simple change will take a very long time. Network configuration manager will make it a lot easier, and Bill showed us the ins and outs of it and how to make our lives a lot easier and to improve performance and reduce cost.
A lot of what we were taught is going to be able to be put into our production right away. I was able to actually log into the server that I work with right here, so I was able to kind of multitask and use both environments.
It was very in-depth. The instructor Bill had a lot of insight as to all the different parts of the application and how we can utilize it to make our operations the best that it can be.
I had a lot of fun here. It was great. I really enjoyed networking with everybody from around different parts of the nation, even Australia. A lot of the guys that are here working kind of similar roles. I even have one guy who works in the same field as myself, so we were able to kind of compare notes and kind of talk about how we utilize SolarWinds and bounce ideas off of one another, so it really helped to kind of get their perspectives, how they were using it, and I could share how I was using it with them. So it was a great learning experience all the way around.
This was a ground-up install. I was able to reinstall my entire system and get it to operate to its most optimal performance. And it was just great overall because we were able to ask individual questions and he was able to answer them to our individual needs.
Based on what I've learned, I was able to be online with my system concurrently while taking the class here and tweaking my system on the fly. Already seen improvement. Already seen improvement in response times for my users while sitting in the class taking it.
Everybody got along well. They definitely fed us well. You will not go away hungry from this class. Austin is a great town. There's a great nightlife.
Very well taught. Covered all the products so far in depth. Looking to actually come back for more and starting to send my staff here as well.
It was a great experience. I will definitely be coming back for the next section of the class and encourage anybody else to come out and do it.